This is OPST's Rainforest waist pack. It's got a roll top, waterproof closure, secured with clips on either end. It can hold things like fly boxes, cell phones, extra tips, head wallet, and what I like most, cameras. There's a removable padded liner. It's got little holsters that you can keep your goodies, spare tips, monofilament spools, and my favorite addition, it holds a big camera very nicely. So if you like to take pictures, you find yourself always out on the river, you've got a padded sleeve. You can take your camera, okay, big bulky camera. That thing fits perfectly right down in there. Roll it tight, close it up. That thing is waterproof. It's got a zip on the front that has a self-draining front pocket. Right here you can see their little drain ports. The waist pack part is very comfortable and fully adjustable. There are small zippers on either side to hold things like monofilament and fluorocarbon. Here's OPST's fluoro, fits perfectly. It's got a shoulder strap for easy carrying when you've got heavy loads, and you can switch it from the back to the front of your body. This is OPST's Rainforest waist pack. Check it out at opskagit.com.